How do you lead people to rise above the circumstances of their life, to actually not just be like animals caught in a trap, but how do you enable people to rise up and be human? How do you enable people to how do you lead people through the darkness of death when death is dancing next to you?
Mm,
How
mm.
do you live? How do you? We did that in our entire community, and that is the story of the Reaper's dance.
That's true. That's true. That's true. I mean, those three lessons are quite very, but they are very vital. Um, One of them actually kind of jumped at me, which is the impact of it. I mean, the
Yeah,
impact huge. I mean, what we went through during that pandemic, I don't think we want to go through it again. Ever. I don't want it
yeah. No.
ever. It was one of the most scariest moments of
We
my